Hi there. Today, we're tackling something that most of us dread: cleaning the oven. Whether it's baked on grease, burnt food, or just years of neglect, I'm going to show you a foolproof, step-by-step method to clean your oven and make it sparkle again. Trust me, this works like magic, and it doesn't require fancy tools or toxic chemicals. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First things first, let's prep the area. Remove any items from inside the oven, including the racks. Take those out and set them aside. We'll get to those later. If your oven has a self-cleaning mode, I suggest skipping it this time. Studies, like the one Consumer Reports shared in 2018, have shown that self-cleaning can often cause unpleasant fumes and even damage to your oven's interior over time. Instead, we'll use a safer, DIY approach. Next, grab a bowl and mix half a cup of baking soda with about 3 tablespoons of water to create a thick paste. Baking soda is a mild abrasive and works wonders on tough stains. Plus, it's safe and eco-friendly. No harsh chemicals here. Wearing gloves if you'd like, spread the baking soda paste all over the interior surfaces of your oven, avoiding the heating elements. Don't be shy, get into those corners and really coat the stains. Let this sit overnight if possible, or at least for 12 hours. This allows the baking soda to break down grease and grime. While the paste works its magic, let's clean those oven racks. Fill a bathtub or a large sink with hot water and add a cup of dish soap or a dishwasher tablet. Submerge the racks and let them soak for a few hours. This will loosen the grime, and you can scrub them easily with a sponge or scrubbing pad afterward. After the paste has sat for several hours, it's time to clean it off. Use a damp cloth to wipe away the baking soda paste. For stubborn spots, you can use a plastic scraper. If you notice some residue, don't worry, we're not done yet. Fill a spray bottle with white vinegar and spray it all over the interior where the baking soda paste was applied. You'll see it fizz. That's the baking soda and vinegar reacting to lift off any remaining grime. Wipe everything down again with a damp cloth. Once everything is wiped down, go over the surfaces with a clean, damp microfiber cloth to remove any streaks or residue. For the oven racks, rinse them thoroughly with water and dry them before putting them back inside. If you want an extra shine, a tiny dab of dish soap on a cloth can make the glass door sparkle. And there you have it. A clean, sparkling oven that looks almost brand new. Regular maintenance can make this process a lot easier. Try wiping down your oven monthly to avoid buildup. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need it. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any go-to oven cleaning hacks.